What is up, guys? It's Dante down here at Raceway Kia in Conshohocken, 1402 West Ridge Pike, Conshohocken, Pennsylvania 19428. You can contact me at any time by calling or texting 610-931-6939, guys. I'm very excited about this video today because behind me in the screen right here, we have the all brand new, redesigned, restyled 2025 Kia Sorento hybrid vehicle. SX Prestige also, worldwide. Let's hop in. All right, guys, so here on our Sorento hybrid, every Sorento is going to be a third row vehicle. It's extremely easy to fold down your rear chairs. You're going to actually grab your tether straps, pull that, throw the seat. Again, pull, throw. Super easy. You're also going to see that every Sorento hybrid comes standard, EX or SX, with captain seating. So again, you're going to have your captain seats. Again, also easy to gain access into the third row. You're gonna have a button right here on the side of the seat. Hit that button, slides forward. Your passengers can go right into the third row for seating there. Since this is an SX Prestige, you also have sunshades standard. So no more going to Amazon or Target and getting the kind of suction cup on. They're already built in, nice and seamless from the factory. You're also gonna see, because it's an SX Prestige, your passengers are going to be spoiled in the second row with heated seats. A couple other features that are standard on your Sorento Hybrid SX Prestige. Of course, you have your leather interior, but you also bring over the power adjustable seats for the passenger side with the lower lumbar support. Of course, the forward, backwards, the up, the down, the back of the seat, lower lumbar support, and for those nice summer rips down the shore on the AC Expressway, you're going to have your awesome Bose stereo system so you can blast those tunes the whole way. All right, guys, here you can see the front end newly redesigned and restyled for 2025. I have all the lights turned on. So you have your LED fog lights, you have your LED headlights with projectors, you have your LED heartbeat running lights, signature designs on, of course, all the Kias. Gravity gray on this color, still in the protective wrap. Look how sleek and modernized this looks. It is a beautiful car. Of course, you come over to the sides, you still keep the 19-inch wheels like the previous generation Sorento hybrids, just a new pattern. Instead of a split 5-spoke, well, we added one more with Common Core math. We're at 6 spokes now. Kind of like a saw fan blade type style. Look how beautiful this car looks. All right, guys, we are inside the cockpit here. Boom! Let's go, guys. So with the SX Prestige, you're going to have your memory set seats for driver 1 and driver 2. That is also relative to your key fob. Again, I showed it outside. We're going to show it again. Power fold mirrors. So those tight streets or those tight parking garages, hit a button, mirrors fold in, hit it again, mirrors will fold out. Beauty of these mirrors folding in and out. When the car's locked, go to check at night, you see your mirrors folded in, the car's locked up. Telltale sign. All new. Now for 2025, you have the all-inclusive dual screen. Let me lower the steering wheel here a bit. That did nothing. Okay. So let's go through this new screen a little bit. It's still, of course, touchscreen. The integration is a little different. I myself, truthfully, am still getting used to it. But if you want FM, you're gonna have more of like a picture kind of guidance. Ooh. Let's turn that down. We don't want to get copyrighted. It's going through all its welcome sequences. So you're gonna have your station list here. Basically, if I wanted to set this station, I would start. So that's still pretty user-friendly. It's gonna appear over here. If you go to your favorites, you're gonna see 1061. So it's gonna go down in order. Over here, you still have your picture-in-picture menu. Weather, compass, time, passenger talk, or you can hit this button and just swipe it away. Get out of here. You come down here again. Now this is your dual screen infotainment and thermostat. So right now it's set to the infotainment, home, radio, and all that jazz. If you hit anywhere again, anywhere in between here, you're gonna see the menu switch. So I can hit the paper airplane, I can hit the fan. And what happens now, when you're on this menu for heat and AC, you turn the dial, you're actually adjusting the thermostat. This is your fan speed control. Little fan, little speed, big fan, big speed. This is your positioning. Each time you touch screen them, it's going to show you where it is, where the fan speed is blowing. You're going to have your front defrost, your rear defrost. If you'll notice, if I switch this menu here, your front defrost and rear defrost will stay. So it's kind of like, hey, let's keep that here. Push button start with remote start. This is your little wireless cell phone charger redesigned down here, a little more sleek. Heated seats, driver and passenger. Air conditioned seats, driver, passenger. Have a panoramic moonroof, huge. Let's go to your hybrid menu. See what's going on with the car. We're averaging 17.3 miles per gallon. We've only driven it 13 miles so far. And literally that's off the truck, down the road to get PDI'd. So you're gonna actually get 34 miles per gallon, which is phenomenal with the size of this vehicle. It's a turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid vehicle. So it's fantastic for a vehicle this size, third row, to get over 30 miles per gallon and run on regular gas. How cool is that? Coming down the center stack, you're gonna have your gear shifter turn dial. You're gonna see this standard on all Kia hybrid vehicles now, past couple years. Reverse, you flick it to the left. Neutral in the middle. Drive all the way to the right. Park, just hit P for park. But what I want to show you is, since it's an SX Prestige, you put in reverse, Terry. You're going to have your surround view camera with your dynamic parking lines. You're going to even see on the surround overhead view how it changes as I move the steering wheel. Over here, if I hit this little spinny car looking thing, we're not doing donuts, I promise, but you'll actually be able to move your representation of your vehicle. It even sees, look at this, guys. It even sees the little wheel covers that I stashed away. So it's supposed to be off camera. You can see it behind the scenes. But how cool is that, guys? You can also hit this button here, and you can now change the view. So I hit it once, it shows the back of the car. Hit it a second time, and you can change your views. So these are down the sides of the car. Hit it again. This is going to be just your huge rear view. I mean, how cool is that? So we're going to leave it on that one right now. There she goes. Get back there. All right, so more so on the steering wheel here. Of course, you have a leather wrap steering wheel. It's soft touch. It feels great. There's some paddings for the thumb grips here, guys. You can see how you hold that. You got your new emblem, nice aluminum trim ring, and of course the nice Kia emblem emblazoned so you don't forget what you're driving. You have your lane keep assist and steering assist. Rule of thumb, if you guys just bought a Kia, you're searching around, if you see the steering wheel on your instrument cluster, each car, it's going to be in a different spot. But if you see that, it's going to actively steer you and assist. If you hit the button again, it'll go away. This means your lane departure will give you an alert. So it'll just go beep, 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 right? But it's not going to actually actively assist you. That's up to you. So some people like to turn that on and off. Simply just hit the button. There's pages buttons. I always say, think of your car as a book, guys. You're going to read your book by turning the pages. So you're going to hit the page button. Boom. Every time you hit the page button, it'll navigate through your middle sub-menu on your main instrument cluster. If you see the little hamburger bullet point list, it goes away fast. So I'm going to hit it again. I'm going to pan out. You hit that. You see your bullet points. You're going to arrow up and down to go through your different trips. You know, and each car, again, is going to be a little different, but you have your compass. It's going to be your features. Let's see what else we can get. Tire pressure when you drive. It'll show you how it's driving for the all-wheel drive system, which is pretty sweet. And like, let's just look at this, guys. Would you just look at this? Full tank of gas. That is an exceptional amount of range. So another thing standard on your SX Prestige now for 2025 is the digital rear view mirror. So let me put the car in drive real quick. I'm going to just demonstrate. So we're driving down the road. I'm going to just hold the camera real quick, and you're going to see, you can see what's happening behind you. simply put, how and why could that be beneficial to you? Well, let's just say you work with me, you purchase this car this week, you have a great summer, then all of a sudden you got to drive that kid to their freshman year of college in late August, early September. You need to pack to the roof. You need to block that whole rear window. Because if you're like me, you're going to do everything in your power to not have to rent a U-Haul van. So you're going to pack that rear view of the car, and what's going to end up happening when you do that, you can still see what's going on behind you and not worry about blocking the rear view mirror. So that is how it's going to be beneficial to have this digital mirror now. A couple last features for the SX Prestige Sorento Hybrid is 2-step heated steering wheel. So basically low and high. So you have your heated steering wheel. Can't stress again the memory seating, power folding mirrors, your Bose stereo system, power passenger seat with lumbar support, upgraded leather interior trim. It's just a beautiful ride. Again, guys, I'm here to always help. Please like, comment, or subscribe. Let me know what next car you want to see, whether it's just like this, a solo car, or if you want to take a look at a comparison of two models. Again, we've done 2 Fortes. I just recently posted Telluride LX versus a Telluride S. Let me know what you want to see next. And as always, guys, thank you for liking, watching, subscribing, and commenting. It helps me out, helps the algorithm. You know how this works, but my job here is to be the Kia guy. I always say I want to help people with their Kia purchase, with their car shopping experience, and make it easy, seamless, and efficient. So what my goal is with this YouTube channel when it comes to the Kia for my everyday job, it hit me a couple months back, and I said I have to start doing it. So I'm trying to take this way more seriously when it comes to, you know, work and the content I'm going to put out, guys. Again, I know it's never going to be perfect, but what I want to bring to you guys is, put it this way. I want you, if you're on the California coast, right? If you're up in Seattle, I want your Kia sales rep to find my channel and use this video as a resource. That's my goal. So if you guys are here for the ride, thank you. Hang tight. More to come. As always, guys.